Video to fix the Citron Emulator black screen when launching games on Android. And if your games refuse to start, this video is for you. Are you facing a problem where Citron Emulator opens but shows only a black screen when you try to play any game, making it feel completely broken? This issue usually happens because of missing GPU drivers, wrong graphic settings, incompatible game files, or permission problems after an Android update. Most fixes you see on YouTube or social media are complicated, full of technical words, and hard to follow, and they often tell you to change risky settings without clear steps. On Rexist, I keep things simple and safe. In this video, I will show you a secret easy trick that fixes the black screen issue without rooting your phone or reinstalling everything. This method helps Citron Emulator load games properly by correcting graphics options, fixing file access, and making sure your device uses the right rendering mode. It works on most Android phones and tablets, and takes only a few minutes to apply. If your Citron Emulator keeps showing a black screen when launching games, this fix will get you back into gameplay fast. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial with clear actions shown on screen, comment below and tell Rexist, and I will guide you from start to finish until your games run normally again.